Alright guys, KWTM bringing you a 2016 W-9 day cab, tall rubber, set up for heavy haul. Got the wet line kit on it, full stainless fenders, headache rack, LED light bar, strobe lights in the front, light brackets on top. She is set up for heavy haul, got everything you need. Got the 8-bag air suspension under it. And this is a gem of a truck right here. She's ready to go. Got the ISX 15 Cummins in it. I mean, look at that. That thing is a beautiful truck, isn't it? Wow, man. That right there is a gem. Let's show you the insides and the power plant. Let's see the strobe lights right there on the grill. So it's got the extended cab extension on it. Gives you more leg room for you taller guys. See, it's got the bigger cab, full gauges, nav, CD player. I mean, she's got everything you need. You guys want to hear the horn? All right, let's go show you the power plant here. All right, so here's our ISX Cummins, set up at 500 horsepower. She's an 18-speed. Fresh out detail, got a fresh DOT. She's ready to go to work. It'll make someone a really nice work truck. She has drum brakes, all 3 axles. Like I said, wet line kit, everything needed, boys. 125,000, I believe, is what we got on this one. So give us a call. The phone number and the email link is down there in the description. We're standing by. Thanks.